Hi, I'm Pablo Velez, and I'm going to show you something that is very common in almost every React project, is to show the elements of an array. It's very easy, and you use the help of an JavaScript function that it's very common and is the most easiest way to show the elements of an array. Here you put curly braces, which indicates that it's going to be a JavaScript object here, and you grab this array Pokemons. You use map, and what map does is that it it grabs every Pokemon, every element of the array, and does something with it. To simply show, you just put a PHTML element and put here curly braces because it's an JavaScript object, and you put here Pokemon. Okay, it's showing fine, but let's make it a little more complex, just a little. We're going to make an array, but of objects. Maybe put here name Pikachu and type electrical. We can copy this to make it faster and put here Charmander, fire, Bulbasaur, grass, Squirtle, water. Okay, let's save to see what happens. Okay, it occurs an error. You can't do this because it is no longer an array of elements, but it's an array of objects. So you have to go through every element and grab its one of the attribute name, because every Pokemon has its own name. I want to show also the type of every Pokemon, and it is like this. Okay, it's working fine. Every Pokemon is showing its name and its type. But let's do something else. Let's make it like a little more simple. Let's use array destructuring, and this is like this. Okay, this is the same as this, and this is the same as this. So now we can put here like that. This is the syntax that says for every Pokemon in this array, just grab the name and the type. But here I have to also indicate that I have this structure, and I put here name and type. So if I save, it must work the same. Okay, that's it. This is the most simple way to understand how to show the elements of an array. Okay, thanks a lot.